The Sovora Vacuum Cleaner comes with several advanced features like infrared dust detection, automatic speed control, and a smart touchscreen, making it look like a high-tech option for home cleaning. It offers up to 45 minutes of runtime and provides both auto and manual modes for flexibility. One of the standout aspects is the active noise cancellation, which promises quieter operation compared to traditional vacuums. While these features sound impressive on paper, the real question is whether they deliver as expected in actual use. Some users may find the smart touch controls convenient, while others might prefer more traditional buttons. The automatic speed control is supposed to adjust suction power based on the amount of dust detected, but how accurately it works depends on different conditions. The overall design and build quality seem decent, but long-term durability remains uncertain. While it does have some promising aspects, there are also areas where it could improve, making it a product that some may find worth trying while others might prefer looking at alternatives with more established reputations. Let me know your thoughts in the comments if you've used the Sovora Vacuum Cleaner.